In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Here I'll be showing you how to change the mufflers on a Chevy Captiva Sport 2014 2.4 liter. This will also be the same for 2012 to 2015. Here are the tools you'll need to do this, and here are the mufflers we'll be changing. We'll be changing both of them, the front and the back one. On this vehicle, there's a bigger one in the back and a smaller one towards the middle of the vehicle, and the pipe that connects them. So to get started, raise the vehicle up. Always inspect the full exhaust system, see what all needs to be replaced before starting. In this case, both mufflers had pretty good holes in them. Then what you're going to do is take a reciprocating saw and cut the pipe just before the muffler. In this case, they already welded it once before, and there was some rust starting up on top, so I needed to cut a bigger chunk out of it. And to take the exhaust insulators off, use some penetrating oil, and you can either pull them off by hand, or if you can get on the back side with a pry bar, that's the easiest way to pop them off. And then once you get it all down, put it on the ground, take a look at it, make sure you have all the right parts. As you can see in this one, they changed the design in the back muffler. Instead of routing the pipe on the side of the muffler, they just ran it straight in the front, which means you have to replace the intermediate pipe. So if your old insulators are still good, just take them off and put on the new pipes, and then reinstall your new mufflers and the intermediate pipe. And then anytime if you have a pipe that is damaged during shipping and gets bent like this one was, it's flat up on top, just use a pipe expander to make it back to round. Just don't overstretch it, and if there's ever a time that a pipe is too small, you can always use the pipe expander to stretch it out to where it needs to be. So now in this case, since they did some welding on there and I had to cut a little extra off, it came in at a weird angle, so we had to get this exhaust elbow. This is a 20 degree, and then we had to cut a little bit more off to make it fit, so we cut by that second blue line there. And then put your clamps on, get everything in place, and once it looks like everything looks good, you can go ahead and tighten them down. They're either a 9/16 or a 14 millimeter. And then start it up, check for leaks, make sure everything's sealed properly, and then you're done. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.